So this is the splash screen, and then over here after the initial onboarding, you have the option to basically log into it, or you can use all of this to log in, or you can register yourself for the very first time, and that is how we'll end up over here. And then this is what the homepage looks like. On the homepage, we have quite huge icons to make it easier to use, and this is where all the equipments and tools and everything will be there. Then we have this option to have all the we have differentiated them in different categories. So suppose I go and enter over your machines. So now I'll be seeing only the machines in the list. As already stated, this list will be arranged in such an order that the equipments in machines, that the machine in this case, which available nearby will be listed on top, and then it will the distance will keep on increasing as you go down. And say now I want to rent this tractor for say 6 days, so I'll just go over here and I'll just take a look at the product detail and the images. I'll click on rent now, and I'll select the date from which date to which date I want to rent this tractor, and that's it. Over here I get my payment details, and on doing the payment I have the option to do the online payment, but as well as we'll be having cash on delivery for sure, as we know that not everyone has access to online payment in rural areas. And on continuing, you can now basically go and pick up your tractor or whatever the machine or equipment that you wanted to learn. This is the profile page where the profile will be created for every individual who is on this application. This is a single profile, and this will have all the details. So from the address to the bank account details. The bank account details is taken here just in case you want to lend or sell some item. So if the borrower chooses the online payment, it will be shared directly to the bank account. We'll also have this rent page for which the wireframe is not yet ready. And over here, we'll just take a picture of it, fill a simple form, add the name and the description, and we are good to go. Talking about how feasible this application is, this is a very basic application, and so it's easy to use as location-based filters. So they can find the equipments at the nearby villages or within the villages first, and then move ahead, and then move to the faraway villages, low cost, because we are mostly using open source tools, so we can provide it basically for free. But we'll also try to seek some possible NGO funding possible. It's user friendly. We have a very simple user interface as shown earlier, and we have a multilingual support, as we know that different villages in India uses different languages. We also have an option of offline posting because we know that in the rural areas there is issue of network connection. So they can basically post whatever they want to sell or lend when they're offline, and then it will be synced with the database once they are online. It's secure because we verify the user, and just to make sure that it does not end up with middlemen and just sellers, we'll be try to verify them using the farmer's card if possible. For the impact, it's cost saving because the farmer who was earlier going to buy an equipment is now basically uh, renting it, and this is how he's saving his money. At the same time, the one is at the same time this is also providing income growth because the one who was already having equipment but it was just lying around is now earning some extra cash by lending it or selling it. This enhances the rural collaboration within the community, is sustainable because it maximizes the resource uses, and is good for the local economy because this is how they will be able to produce more and hence boost their trade. We have a few challenges. Adoption, the very major challenge that we have over here because of the low tech literacy among farmers. And to tackle this, we are trying to make it very user friendly and multilingual support so they can board on the application easily. Trust is a crucial problem over here because we don't know whether I mean, it's obvious that before lending, you will want to make sure that the one who is taking your tool or equipment will return it back to you in the same condition and connectivity, which we are tackling with the offline posting method because of the limited internet access. So yeah, that's all that we have in this project. Thank you for this opportunity.